Introducing Japan Aviation Electronics Industries March 2019 product release. J has developed the MX67A Series, high pin count and miniaturized connector for automotive airbag ECUs. In order to improve automotive safety, there has been importance placed on the introduction of safety features to protect not only the passengers and pedestrians, but also the complete running vehicles. To comply with this trend, airbags are being installed in various areas of vehicles such as on the side, the rear seats, and more. Moreover, safety control systems are shifting from collision safety to preventative safety. The addition of preventative safety system increases the number of contacts required for SRS ECU connectors in order to process large amounts of data from the additional onboard sensors. At the same time, in addition to new safety features, various other control systems are being installed to improve driving performance and comfort, increasing the number of total installed systems. As a result, each new system must be high density, compact, and lightweight. Due to this requirement, SRS ECUs also have limited installation space, so it is necessary for the connector to be compact while having compatibility with large number of pin. The MX67A Series achieves a high pin count of 100 positions in 2 blocks, while being compact in size. In addition, a lever has been equipped to reduce the insertion extraction force to 66.6 Newton or less. Furthermore, we have adopted a press-fit type contact design that does not require soldering. This press-fit type is expected to become the mainstream board mounting method for airbag connectors. Each connector block is equipped with a mating detection pin that allows for electrical confirmation that connectors are properly matted. Short-circuit terminals are also installed to prevent erroneous airbag deployment caused by static electricity. Please visit the J website for more information on these products.